Good afternoon, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fancave. It's Tuesday, October 22nd, 1:21 p.m., 2019. And what you're looking at today, this is a Hunter original. I acquired this fan on Craigslist for free. The motor had seized, so there's a switch missing in the light, so I'm going to put another fitter on there. But eventually, this morning I added some WD-40. Let that run its course. Then picked up some 3-in-1 oil, added that, and now it runs like a top. But the motor was completely frozen. I couldn't even crank it by hand. And now it works great. Took some Murphy's oil soap, polished up the blades, used some WD-40, polished up the brass. Take it for a test spin. Typical two-speed fan. You've got fast and slow. Yeah, I remember seeing a lot of these when I was a kid in various restaurants. It'd be always an original at the spinning on low. In fact, the Fuddruckers and Saugus, I believe, had a number of these. They all had schoolhouse lights, except for one that had a globe light. Now, if the spin down. I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do subscribe to my page, and feel free to check out my Facebook page, also called Fancave. Thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.